We interrupt this regularly scheduled broadcast to bring you some horrifying news. There's been a strain of rabies in cats, and they're hungrily feeding on anything they come upon. Oh God!
Cats. Why did it have to be cats? No, stop spinning, stop spinning. Stop spinning, why are you spinning? Stop it! Easy now. Stay frosty. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. No, why are you teabagging? Stop, stop crouching.
Took the easy way out.
No. I didn't mean to press that. No.
Oh,
Stop.
You lasted 1 round.
This is stupid.